Good morning, students. Today is a Tuesday, 30th June, class 9th level, unit 12, plane mirror. Topic is applications of plane mirror. We will discuss here only few of the applications. First is vision testing. Open your book please, page 220. Normally you have seen that if somebody visit to the doctors for getting the opticals, doctor asks you to sit on the chair and in front of your eyes there is a mirror, and behind the chair or behind your head there is a one chart. Over there some text are being written. It may be some words or only the alphabets. Now the procedure is this, that the board or the writing behind you, its reflection is seenable to the patients that who visit the doctor. The distance between the mirror, plane mirror, and the patient is normally it is kept at a 3 meter. And the board over there, some writing is there, some text are there. It is behind the patient almost half meter. Now if you calculate, the total distance become 2 times 3 meter, it means 6 meter plus half meter. Total distance become 6.5 meter. So in this way, I will not go in deep detail because we have to only to let you know that we use the plane mirror in vision testing also. Next is blind corner. Second one is blind corner mirror. You may have seen in the malls when you go on the shopping that these plane mirrors are being used on the corner so that the owner can see, or you can see that anybody coming on the other side of the corner. Or you may have visited the hilly areas, there are the blind corner, and you may have seen many blind corner mirror over there. So it become easy for the driver to drive on the corner. He can easily see on the other side any vehicle is there. Next one is a periscope. Periscope is the instrument. This instrument is called periscope, and normally periscope it is used in a submarine. Submarine use the periscope to see while it inside the water. The head of the periscope is outside the submarine, and it help to see the captain inside the submarine. He can view everything on the surface of water. Two side here the plane strip of the mirror are there. Image enter, reflect at a 45 angle. Again it enter to another mirror, plane mirror. Again it turns at 90 degree. 2 times 90 degree turn reflection, and then it enter into the captain whosoever there to view the surface of the water. Next is the instrument scales. Instrument scales like this galvanometer, voltmeter, and ammeter. So there is a strip which help the reader to see easily, because the needle image appear on the strip, mirror strip, and it help the reader to clearly see the image. Otherwise you can make mistake. Next one is a telepromoter. Telepromoter, it is very clear on the figure in the book. It helps to detect the speed of the vehicle. On the roadside, you may have seen that the cameras are there. So cameras plus telepromoter, it helps the people who observe are on the duty. They observe that your speed was over or not. So along with the camera and telepromoter, both combinedly works and help the observer to watch the speed of the vehicles. I told you in the beginning that these are the only few. There are many use, but we will discuss only the few. So thank you and God bless you.